Today we're going to open a thing called a Shotz model kit. This is a little cardboard car you put together. Came from the Dollar Tree.
Hi, I'm Wayne from BWC Publishing. Today we're going to open one of the Shotz model kits. This is the Express 01, the blue one. It says Suzuka on it. There it is. There's your instructions on how to put it together. And we'll get it going and show you how to put it together.
Alright, here is the kit. Open it up. Now this is cardboard. It was only $1 at the Dollar Tree, so we have to cut some tape here. I speeded this up a little bit so it won't take quite so long. There's your motor. It's a pull-back motor. You pull the car back and let it go. Instructions. Tires. There's the cardboard pieces. They are all numbered too. So be careful when you take them apart. Just take it apart as you need it so you get the right number. See, there's your numbers. Follow your directions on the back of the cardboard box it came in. First you have to figure out how to get all this apart. There's the first piece. See what else I need. Watch your numbers so you don't get them mixed up. Not easy to get it punched out. Sometimes it leaves a little piece of paper on it. Punch out the little tabs. Alright, let's see how we do this. Directions are not easy to follow. I think it goes right there. Other side does the same thing. Oops. Get it out of the way. There we go. Now your motor slips in the little holes right there for your axles. You know, this is not working out real good. Doesn't stay together too good. Where did that go? Right in there, I think. I'm looking at the directions occasionally. I think that goes right there. I think. Get your little tabs out of there so the slots are open. I think that goes right there. I'm already not too impressed with this. Maybe I need to get me a 6-year-old to show me how to do this, huh? Good thing I got a pocket knife. Punch those tabs out. I don't know. I guess that's where it goes. Got to punch the windows out some. It's kind of coming apart, isn't it? I think I need another hand here. Now what? Let's see. Follow the directions if you can. I think that bumper goes there. I don't know what holds the motor in though. Put the body back together again. So every time you do something, it comes apart. Pull the tabs out. Uh-oh, I put the front bumper on the rear, didn't I? Wow. Operator error. After all that, getting it all back together again, I got to do it again now. Every time you do something, you got to put it back together completely. I don't know about all this. Yeah, so
This is not very good.
certainly wouldn't recommend this for a young kid, young child. I think you're going to have to put it together for them. Good luck. See if we can get this to work now. Seems like every time you put another piece on, you have to put all the others back. I don't know. Maybe I'm not smart enough to do this. Here's the roof. Let's see how that works. I don't think we knocked anything loose then. Where does this piece go? Okay, now what? The hood, I think. Still got to put it on. See where. Well, it's not looking too bad, I guess. Here comes your hood. Not sure what this is, but okay. Wheels, all right. How we do this now? Slips right through the little holes there. Wow. Wheels don't slip on the axles. Oh. I don't know if that worked or not, but sticking. I'm going to get the other side on now. Yeah. Everything's coming apart again. be honest with you, I don't think I'd try this again. There's the car. Hood came off. Okay.
There it is. I won't buy another one, so.
I think that's it for this car.